This is the space where we don't just discuss attraction. We break it down and truly understand how it works. If you're new here, today we're exploring something a lot of men deal with quietly: how to win over a woman who doesn't seem interested in you at first. Feelings are rarely simple. Just because she's not showing signs right now doesn't mean it's over. Interest can grow. Sometimes a small adjustment in your attitude, your energy, or the way you present yourself can unlock something unexpected in her. If you've ever thought, "I don't stand a chance," stop right there. A shift in how you show up can completely change the outcome. We all want to feel chosen and appreciated, and often it's tiny improvements that create powerful emotional reactions. Today I'm sharing practical and effective strategies that can slowly turn distance into curiosity and curiosity into connection. Instead of waiting for the perfect opportunity, you'll learn how to create one. With the right mix of charm, confidence, emotional awareness, and subtle psychological cues, you can make her see you differently. It all begins with self-belief and a relaxed smile. Let's start with eye contact. Not random glances or staring contests, but calm, intentional eye contact that feels natural. When you're speaking to her, slow your pace. Take a breath. Hold her gaze gently, especially focusing a little more on her left eye. Some research suggests that steady eye contact can increase emotional bonding by encouraging oxytocin release, the hormone connected to trust and closeness. When your look feels warm and grounded, it communicates more than words ever could. It quietly says, "I notice you. I respect you." People can fake lines, but it's much harder to fake presence. A steady, sincere gaze makes you stand out in a way she'll remember. Now let's talk about something underrated: your scent. Fragrance has a strong link to memory and emotion. The right scent doesn't just make you smell good, it becomes associated with you in her mind. When she catches a similar fragrance later, it can instantly remind her of you. Choose something that fits your personality. Keep it subtle and clean, not overpowering. If you're more calm and grounded, woody or musky tones work well. If you have a mysterious edge, a hint of spice or darker citrus might suit you. Your scent becomes your invisible signature. It builds familiarity and comfort without effort. Anxiety is another big barrier. It's completely normal to feel nervous, especially when she hasn't shown interest yet. But attraction grows when you're relaxed and authentic. There are natural ways to support that calm state. L-theanine from green tea can help you stay relaxed while remaining focused. Ashwagandha may lower stress hormones, helping you stay steady under pressure. Magnesium glycinate can ease tension and improve sleep quality. When your body feels balanced, your best self comes forward naturally. Attraction doesn't happen when you're trapped in your head. It happens when you're present. Before meeting her, try something simple but powerful. Call someone who genuinely cares about you. A close friend, a sibling, a parent. Hearing a supportive voice reminds you that you're already valued. It lowers stress and puts you in a confident emotional state. You walk into the date not seeking approval, but already feeling secure. That grounded energy is noticeable. It's confidence without arrogance. She may not understand what changed, but she'll feel it. When planning the date, avoid the usual routine. Dinner and coffee are safe, but they rarely create strong emotional impact. If you want her to see you differently, create an experience. Do something that sparks excitement, curiosity, or even a little adrenaline. It could be a spontaneous drive to a scenic spot, an escape room, axe throwing, dancing, a small live show, or a unique art exhibit. Emotional experiences create stronger memories. There's a psychological concept called misattribution of arousal, where people connect the excitement of a situation with the person they're with. If her heart races during the experience, she may start associating that feeling with you. These unexpected settings allow her to step outside the box she may have placed you in. Maybe she saw you as just a friend before, but when you introduce adventure and emotional depth, that perception can shift. And finally, show your confidence in subtle social ways. You don't need to dominate the room or seek attention. Calm body language, relaxed posture, comfortable eye contact with others, and natural conversation all signal quiet strength. True confidence is steady, not loud. When you combine presence, emotional awareness, and authentic energy, you give her a new reason to see you differently. When you're out with her, remember this. How you treat other people matters just as much as how you treat her. Be kind to the waiter, respect the bartender, smile at the staff. Not to perform or impress, but because that's who you are. Real confidence shows in everyday moments. When she sees you handle small social interactions calmly and respectfully, she notices. She sees a man who moves through the world with ease. That kind of social awareness is attractive. It signals maturity. It also makes her relax because she senses you can handle situations without losing control. Stability combined with charm is rare, and rare is valuable. Now let's talk about the bill. Most men overdo this part. When it arrives, don't turn it into a performance. Don't announce it loudly or try to prove anything. If there's a natural moment, maybe when she steps away, quietly take care of it. No drama, no need for applause. This shows leadership without ego. It communicates generosity without seeking credit. That calm decisiveness feels safe. When she realizes you handled it smoothly, she'll respect the maturity behind it. At the end of the night, don't rush the kiss. So many guys ruin a good connection by trying to force a final moment. Patience is powerful. Instead of pushing for more, end with a warm hug and genuine appreciation for the time you shared. Leave a little space. Leave something unfinished. That unanswered question in her mind creates anticipation. When you don't rush, you create intrigue. And intrigue builds attraction far more effectively than desperation ever could. But let's be honest for a second. None of this works if you're only focused on winning her. Attraction isn't about tactics alone. It's about who you become. Most men obsess over what she thinks and how to get her attention. Real change starts when you shift that focus back to yourself. Women are naturally drawn to men who are evolving. Not perfect men. Not the richest or most famous. Men who are growing. This is where a stoic mindset helps. It's not about suppressing feelings. It's about mastering your reactions and focusing on what you control. When she senses that rejection doesn't shake you, that your worth isn't tied to her validation, she feels it. You become different, grounded, hard to categorize. And that mystery draws her in. Work on yourself daily. Read something meaningful. Train your body. Set goals. Spend time in silence. Cut habits that weaken you, like constant comparison or mindless scrolling. Emotional stability is magnetic. When you're centered, people lean toward you naturally. There's also something powerful called psychological tension. It's the balance between warmth and restraint, interest and mystery. Be present, but don't overinvest. Listen more than you speak. Sit comfortably in silence. Speak slowly and with intention. Let your eye contact carry weight. When you're not trying to impress, you create space for her to lean forward. She starts wondering what's on your mind. That curiosity shifts the dynamic. Speak less, feel more. Don't talk just to fill space. Share what genuinely moves you, your passions, your values, what drives you. When you speak from a grounded place, you sound real, and real stands out in a world full of noise. Above all, make her feel safe. If she didn't notice you at first, it may be because she didn't feel enough emotional security to open up. Attraction grows where trust exists. Show through small actions that you respect boundaries, that you listen, that you handle disagreements calmly. Safety isn't weakness. It's strength under control. When she feels emotionally secure, her walls slowly lower. Understand this clearly. Attraction is about energy more than effort. You can plan the perfect date and say all the right words, but if your energy feels needy, she'll sense it. On the other hand, if your energy feels calm and purposeful, that will speak louder than anything else. Stop chasing. Start radiating. When you bring all of this together, the steady eye contact, the subtle scent, the calm presence, the quiet confidence, you stop trying to convince her to like you. You simply become someone she feels drawn toward. Attraction isn't about talking someone into desire. It's about shifting perception through who you are.